hands down, I believe the Trijicon RMR is the best pistol red dot sight out there. Every time I get a pistol optics ready pistol, I get a Trijicon. This is a Glock 17 Gen 6. This is a 92 Beretta, what the hell is it again? I forget. The 92 XI. Beautiful gun. High quality. And then the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. Another beautiful gun. Now the problem is that if I continue to buy Trijicons every time I get a optics ready pistol, I'm never going to be able to retire. So I need to chill out. Got enough already. So what I did is I ordered a Holosun. Now on this Glock 20, this is 10mm. I removed the Trijicon and I put the Trijicon on my Glock 17 because this is my probably more practical gun I would use. The reason I got the 10mm here is I go up in the Arizona mountains where they have mountain lions and they have bear, and a 10mm I think is an appropriate round to use in a situation like that. And it's a heavy gun, it's a big gun, it takes a big heavy round and a very powerful round as well. So you got to have a good sight on it. I was not big on the Holosun because it's Chinese, and I did not want to buy a Chinese brand. But man, I keep talking to people and they tell me these sights are these are great sights. And you know, when you're spending $600 a pop on a Trijicon and something like this is only about $300, it is more inviting. So I have not opened this yet, so let's take a look. Now this is supposed to be a RMR base, and I don't know if my camera is focusing correctly on this stuff, but the RMR is supposed to be able to fit on this plate here. This is an RMR plate for the Glock G20, so we'll see if it actually works that way. So this is the Holosun sight. I'm sure it's going to be slightly different than the Trijicons. Alright, comes with some stuff. This box is a plastic box, so it's not like cardboard, so that's good. Here's the Holosun itself. So the way this would work is it would fit on here, which it actually does. Okay, cool. Well, that's a good thing that the Holosun actually fits on the, it is that RMR base. So good. Okay. Of course I like that. It's wonderful. Let's take this little tag off. This is probably for the battery. Now I did not read the instructions at all. So probably should do that. Okay, so we got a couple things in here. Let's see what we got. Alright, we got the little tool to put it on. See what else we got? Some things, because I got big fat fingers. That's why I always have pliers. When you got big fat fingers, you can never take this kind of stuff for granted. Having little tools. Magnifying glasses, little skinny pliers. Make it work. Starting to lose my eyesight a little bit. So this is what we get with the Holosun. I mean, it seems pretty good quality. Everybody says it's great quality, so I guess we'll see. So this is 2 screw holes. Now you just got to figure out how this battery works. So I'm going to guess that that's the battery compartment, and this is the battery tool. Let's see. And I'm just guessing, so let's see if I'm right. And like I said, with my bad eyesight, it's always a little bit of a challenge to see things. I'm not completely blind. I think it's just my eyeglass prescription, but alright, so we're still working on this battery compartment. I'm guessing it's the battery compartment. There's like an arrow pointing towards it. And we all know arrows always mean batteries. Alright. Oh, it is the battery. Looky, looky. Alright. So, should that just go on then? Oh, there's the dot. Okay. Oh wow, it's got a dot. It's got the a red dot that's very much like the my recent Biotech. Alright, so it's okay. So I guess the battery is good. Don't need to worry about that. You can see the red dot. Let's turn it off. Maybe I'll hold up to the camera. I don't know if the camera can see it. Every time I try to do this, it's a horrible fail. Let's see. I don't know if the camera can focus really. Let's try it again. Oh, I don't know. Probably out of focus, but I think you get the idea. Just go ahead and turn that off. Alright, turn it off correctly. So far, so good. Alright, let's grab these screws. What is this? So, I guess some of these bases are deeper than others. So you have longer screws. I like to go with the shortest screw I can to get the job done. And these look like these are a little smaller. So let's see, is this made to go on here? No. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so that's where, okay, so we use that. And it's got, it comes with the little Loctite on there. We'll go ahead and drop it in the little, like I said, when you got bad eyesight and you got big fat fingers, using tools always helps. I was building houses with my brother, who's an architect out in California, and one of the things he taught me is don't do yourself what you can find a tool to do for you. I'm going to look under there, make sure the screws are actually coming out. They just barely come out. And you know, I don't know if I'm satisfied with that. Is that enough to seat it? Well, let's see. So it goes on there pretty well. Alright. Yeah, it looks like they catch it. Alright, yeah, alright, cool. I'm pretty satisfied with it. It feels pretty sturdy in there. So, okay, so the RMR plate that was on there for the Trijicon was perfect here for the Holosun. And voila, easy peasy. That was much easier than I thought. So I have three brands of red dots that I've gone with so far, and they're all good quality ones. I try not to buy crap. I'm in my 50s and I'm thinking, it's weird when you hit your 50s, you start thinking like everything you have now you want to last until you die. So I figure I'll live to be maybe, hopefully 70. That means everything I buy now has to at least another 20 years. Now, I think that's possible. So these red dots should give me a good 20-year lifespan there. And I'll be happy. I don't know what else to talk about. I think we're good. I mean, it works fine. Let's see if the camera can pick it up at all. I don't know. You can see that red dot in there. Kind of out of focus. Bring it up. Oh, yeah, that ain't even worth it. Anyway. Yeah, so Trijicon Holosun replacing the Trijicon on the Glock 20. And I like it, looks good. I'm gonna go with it. Hope no big bears come at me because I don't want to shoot a big bear, but I will if I have to. Anyway, cheers. That video was easier than I thought. Hopefully it looks easier. Your mama said what?